Page 6. Actually, I'm going to do pages 6 and 7 here in this lesson. On page 6, they talk about the beat. We have a pulse in music. We have a steady beat. Music flows generally. I'm talking about most music. You get some real weird music that doesn't seem to do anything. I'm talking about traditional music. It flows. There's a beat to it. How fast or slow the beat goes depends on the music. But there's a feel to it. We can all feel that. Most people can feel it. Some people simply don't have it. And I'm sorry if you don't have it because you're missing out. But most people have that sense of beat. When you're dancing on that beat. And that's what they want you to do here. They want you to feel the beat. So I'm going to play this first line they give and see if you can feel. You can tap, clap, whatever you want to do on the beat here. 1, 2, ready, go. And then at the end, the beat kind of fades out and you're holding or whatever. The second one, same thing. I'm going to play that and see if you can feel the beat here. It'll be a slight slower beat, but there's a beat there. 1, 2, something like that. You feel a beat going on all the time you're doing that? Sometimes I'm playing more than one note in a beat. And sometimes just one note in a beat. Sometimes a note can last multiple beats. It doesn't matter. The beat is still there. And then the last one, again, this one is a kind of a quick one, but again, it's got to have a beat to it. Just short one, bum, bum, bum. You can feel the beat. That's the whole point of this page. Now on page 7, they're introducing the 3 black keys. We've had 2, we get 3. I've already told you. It alternates. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, blah, blah, blah. Okay. If you have a full 88 key piano, the bottom one, there's only 1 there. Well, that's the top one of a group of 3 because you had a group of 2. The next one, if you kept going, would be a group of 3. So that is the same as a top one in a group of 3. Now in the middle, they give some music there where you can play these 3 notes and you can ad-lib, make up your own melody. Just using anything you want, any rhythm, anything you want. So I'm going to play this in the middle of this, and you do you. 1, 2, 3, 4. While I'm playing that, you're doing this. Just anything, any rhythm, any pattern of notes, just use 3 black keys. One hand, both hands, either hand, whatever. It's up to you. There's no wrong answer. Whatever. The ear is the final guide. If you like the sound of it, close enough. They do the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to do this. It's a little different feel, but you're playing the same 3 black keys. Just make up your own accompaniment. This goes a little faster than that other one did. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy to hit the beat on that one because the right hand keeps playing on the beat, so it's easy to follow the beat on that. But you don't have to play on the beat all the time. You can play in between the beats. You can get all kinds of fancy. It's up to you.